Welcome to R.E.P.O. Alright, Thomas, you lead the way.
I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Let's go. You know what to do? Come on.
How do I open shit? Ah, yo, chill out.
You have to be careful with it because it's like if you like bang it.
Yo! Stop!
It loses value.
Christian!
Oh, tag 3 big pickaxe dudes.
What? No, this game is not scary.
No!
What are you guys talking about?
This game's not scary, he says.
Thomas is doing it for the clip. He's gonna be
like, am I actually doing it for the clip?
Already clip farming.
Nah, it's not even scary.
Nah, it's not though.
Dude, Tom's gonna see a monster.
John door number 1, nothing.
What?
Oh,
let's go.
There's a little dude right there.
No!
Oh!
What? Am I dead?
No.
Thomas, hit Q. Hold Q. Oh!
Put him in the cart.
Wait, what?
You're actually lost.
I actually am.
Yeah.
Bro, why am I the fucking...
Oh my gosh!
Bruh.
Is Christian clip farming?
Christian's like having a fucking blast, dude.
Get away. Oh!
What a
Not bad, guys. Not bad at all.
What is this?
You want to see how?
What
Hey,
See you, Christian.
What is this?
We gotta fight. It's a 1v1.
Why? What the fuck are we fighting? What the fuck is this? Bro, what is this fucking game we're playing, bro? What?
Thomas is lost.
I am fucking lost. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh, little Japan tree. Oh my
Japan?
gosh, Japan tree.
Oh, so stupid away. Get out of my way.
Can you stop fucking hitting me?
We're lucky Plenty's not here. He'd be like, oh, you don't know how to do this movement attack? You don't know how to do the goon movement attack?
Japan.
Guys, we just go. Bro! What?
Holy shit, Christian, get in the cart.
My fault.
Dude, I meant to hit the cart, bro. I'm getting duck shots.
Are we talking like
the charm. Looks like we have a little Japan tree. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, another Japan tree. Double Japan tree.
Look, I'm playing the guitar. Handle this with care.
Not bad. Looks like we already got the quota.
Oh!
Not bad. Oh, we already got the quota, Eddie. Oh yeah, we already got it.
Yeah, wait. I'm trying to put this in the cart.
I don't give a shit what you shot.
Thomas! You just ran me over.
Wait. Alright, we got it.
We did it.
That's it.
Not bad, guys.
Not bad. Where's the card?
I think all 3 of us should get a... Oh. Hey, I don't want that.
I got
what happened?
Out.
Hey, stop fucking touching me.
Sorry.
How do we...
Oh. Hey, guys.
Oh, little gnomes.
Say wee.
Little Plenty gnomes.
Ah, why the fuck are they attacking me?
Ran me over.
Oh, fuck out of the way. Eddie.
Oh, check it out.
Yeah, Christian. Christian? Christian?
Peekaboo.
Whoa! Whoa!
What?
What the hell is that painting?
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Oh! What the fuck?
Let him walk into it.
Is he gonna walk into it? Is he here?
I hope so.
Wait, should I
We're
bait
gonna
him in?
find out.
Should I bait him in? Should I bait him? Oh!
Is he gone?
He didn't die. Hey, watch out.
Oh, damn, Eddie.
Big ass thing. I know, big ass thing.
Oh, shit, like putting it all up in my face and shit.
Yeah, I know, watch out.
What? Jesus fuck, dude.
What? There's nothing there, bro. Calm down.
You fucking clip farming little bitch.
Oh! Holy shit.
Wait, why am I dying? Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, shh. Get out of here. Don't break up
I think he knows we're here.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
I'm gonna give him a little touch.
Ow!
Oh! Yeah, here's something.
Where?
Oh.
What?
Eddie?
Eddie?
I might want to go check on him. Oh. Eddie? Eddie?
He's like moaning.
Oh!
Oh! What the fuck is that? It's a big head!
Nothing,
It's a
Thomas.
big fucking head! There's a big fucking head! Not bad, Christian.
Okay, got it.
The head's coming! The head's coming! What the fuck's going on?
You hear that?
The fuck was that?
Thomas. Oh my gosh, Thomas. Thomas.
What?
Thomas. Oh.
Oh! What the fuck? Christian?
Shh.
Christian, I can't get down!
Get in here.
Christian.
Be quiet. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was scary. That was
Not
scary.
bad, guy.
You almost sold us.
Did I actually?
You started clacking to see. He was like, huzzah. And you were like,
What does that mean?
I got a good feeling about this one, guys.
Yeah.
Yep. Got a good feeling.
Let's go straight.
I have a good feeling about that. I mean, Eddie just went right, but let's just keep going straight.
Christian.
Oh, hey, Tommy.
What?
Hey, I wouldn't get near that thing.
Why? What the fuck?
All right,
does it do?
I'm priming the mine. Blah, blah, blah. Oh! Oh, wait. Eddie, I wouldn't go that way.
Yeah. What?
Uh-oh. Not good. I'm priming the mine.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Hey, stop busting on my. Ah! What the fuck is going on?
Thomas, look out.
Thomas. I can't hold it in.
Ah! What the fuck is behind you?
I can't hold it in. I can't hold it in.
Guys.
He's giving him mine shots.
He's giving him mine shot. He's just kind of getting. Oh, we can pick him up. Oh no, we can't. You trust me?
No.
Okay. Then follow me. Just deposited it. We just need to head back.
Back to the start.
Mm-hmm. Just look out for that one guy. Oh my gosh.
Christian, what's that noise?
Hey, look out, Tommy. Look out, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna sludge on him. Thomas,
Fuck!
look out, Thomas. Wait, how's he? Oh, you're alive again. Guys, look out, I got this. I don't got it. I don't got it no more.
Christian, bro, you're a fucking brick. Shit. Oh shit! Why does this kid like movement gapping the fuck out of him?
Let me back. No. Okay.
Self-destruct.
That was close.
Bro. What the fuck, Eddie?
I am Steve. I am Steve. Bye
Hey,
to
why
you.
the fuck would you
I'll
buy
never-
some bullshit like that?
Nah, trust him.
Thomas.
Oh, it's picking up something.
Whoa!
Huge.
Bring it this
He's
way.
gonna ruin everything.
Yeah, she's gonna ruin everything. Bring it.
Okay.
Thomas, hold it. Thomas,
Oh
hold it.
shit! Alright, Christian, alright.
And multiple people have to hold
Alright,
it.
I got it.
Alright, bring it over there. Bring it over there.
Wait, don't push it into me.
I'm gonna push
I don't know where I'm going. Alright, there we go. Alright, over
ready?
here.
Ah, you
Alright, three.
motherfucker! Alright, hold on.
All right, two people. No, bring. No, get that out of. Get the cart
Christian,
out
grab
of
the
here.
cart.
Get the cart out of here.
Christian, grab the cart.
Get the cart out of here. Get
Alright,
the
I got
cart
the
out of
cart.
here.
Ready, Eddie?
Oh
Bring it.
yeah, we don't.
All right, ready? Ready? Three.
Alright, Christian, wanna try this again?
I wouldn't talk about it.
Oh shit!
He runs fast. Hold on. Oh, Eddie got it.
I found it.
Alright, hold on.
Christian?
Little clock. We tropic in here.
Why are we ego lifting?
What? Go spinning.
Oh shit! Ow! Ow! It's to me!
Hey, don't bring him to me.
Hey, Christian, I got terrible news for you.
Alright. No more slacking off. Let's get back to it.
Hey, don't touch one of them.
Eddie, you fucking.
Wait, Christian, did you hear that? Christian? What is that? Oh!
What? Oh, Thomas, behind you. Behind you, Thomas, look out behind you. Thomas, behind you. Thomas, behind you.
Ow, you motherfucker!
Thomas, turn your phantom sense off. Thomas, use the hammer. Use the hammer.
Ah, where's the hammer? Ah!
Hammer time.
I lost the hammer! I lost it! I lost it! Oh,
Thomas, where's the hammer?
bro.
Looks like that's gonna wrap up the video.
Yep.
If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment, maybe even subscribe.